Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegan Oreo chocolate cake. Let's begin. So into your mixing bowl of choice, you'll want to place your vegan butter or spread, along with the granulated white sugar and the coconut sugar or light brown sugar, whichever you can get your hands on, and mix them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once they are lighter and fluffier, you can give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. You can then start adding your oat milk a little at a time. Just be aware that it does scramble the mixture once you've it all incorporated. Next you can add in your dry ingredients, which is the flour, the baking powder and the cocoa powder, and just put them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may have built up in the dry mixture. Start the mixer on a low speed to start, working you out to a medium high, and once you've got a smooth and glossy cake batter, you're good to go. You will want to transfer the cake batter straight from the bowl into your lined tin. I'm using a deep sided 6-inch tin, but feel free to use sandwich tins. I will leave all the information you need, including baking times, in a link down below. Next you'll want to make the buttercream, which is a mixture of vegan spread along with white shortening, and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, and it will start to actually look like standard butter, maybe just a bit more yellow, but that's fine. Once that's lighter and fluffier, you can give the bowl a good scraping down, and then add in your first batch of icing sugar, the first half, and then just mix this on a low speed to start, working out to a medium high, and repeat this with the remaining icing sugar. You can go ahead and add in your Oreo crumbs and just mix these in until they're fully incorporated. They will make the buttercream go a grey colour. Next you can take a cake stand and a small amount of buttercream and just put some on the cake stand, placing your cake directly on top and just pressing it in place, then putting a generous amount of the buttercream on top and just leveling it out as best as you can. Then you'll want to repeat this with the second layer and then give the whole cake a coating of buttercream. There's no crumb coats or anything needed, as this is just a quick and easy cake. So feel free to be as rough and rustic or as neat and precise as you want to be. It hasn't got to be perfect, and that's what I'm trying to put across in this video. And the only decoration I really did was running the spatula in a circular motion on top to create a swirl, but that's as much decoration as I did. But to finish it off, I just took some of the remaining Oreo crumbs I had left and just placed them around the edge of the cake for a bit of colour. So there you go, your cake is done. You can enjoy it straight away, or like me, you can place it in the fridge for a bit first to firm up, and then you can cut yourself a slice. This is a big slice, I wouldn't have ate it all, but I did cut a bigger piece just to show you the inside and the cross section of it. But here is what it looks like once it's fully baked and decorated. You can't even tell it's vegan, which is perfect for those who are a bit iffy about veganism. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in my description down below. There'll be links to my social medias and my blog has plenty more recipes that you may enjoy, so don't forget to go and check them out. If you want the full write-up, it's also on my blog, link in the description down below. But until next time, bye guys.